get all that hair nice and smooth and soft. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Brush your tail. Yeah. Behind your ears. The other side. Right. Let's turn it over. Oh. There. Yeah, they're lovely. Like that. Eh? Yeah. Hey, let's see your foot. Oh, nice. Isn't that nice, your belly? And your arms. Yeah. Arm there. Oh, stretch. Look at that. Yeah, big stretches, aren't there? Yes. We're going to go and get your hair cut, aren't we? Today. She's got little knots in her hair, haven't you? Hey? They need cutting out. Because they're not nice, are they? Hey? Not nice. Arms up. Oh, look at this. Oh, lovely, isn't it? Yeah. Put your neck back. Put it back. Lovely. There it goes. Arms up, both arms up. Oh, lovely. Yeah. Right, shall I turn you over to the other side? Oh, you big heavy cat. Yep. Right, turn on your back. Yeah, turn your back. There. Yeah, is it nice? Hey? Do you like it? Oh dear. Roll over. So do your neck again. Put your neck back. Oh, you pause it where? There. Right, yeah. This way. Oh. Big cat. Tail. Oh, it's beautiful now. Hey. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful girl. She's beautiful, isn't she?